The state of Idaho is a land shaped by wild rivers, rugged mountains, and untouched beauty. From sky-high peaks to deep canyons carved by time, every turn of the drone captures something raw and real, nature in its purest form. Idaho isn't just a place you see, it's a place you feel. The sound of rushing water, the golden light on rocky ridges, and the vast open silence remind you what freedom really looks like. Hey, before we keep flying, where are you watching from? I'd love to know how far this journey is reaching. One, Salmon River. Known as the River of No Return, the Salmon River cuts through the heart of Idaho like a silver blade. It's one of the longest free-flowing rivers in the lower 48 states, and famous for its thrilling whitewater rapids and deep wilderness canyons. It's also a hotspot for rafting, fishing, and pure, untouched adventure. Two, Sawtooth Mountains. The Sawtooth Mountains look like they were carved for a postcard. Their sharp, rugged peaks stretch across central Idaho, often called the Alps of America. This range is part of the Sawtooth National Recreation Area, offering crystal-clear alpine lakes, endless hiking trails, and some of the best drone views in the state. Three, Shoshone Falls. Shoshone Falls, often called the Niagara of the West, drops 212 feet, even higher than Niagara itself. Located on the Snake River near Twin Falls, it's one of Idaho's most stunning natural wonders. The falls are especially powerful in spring, when snowmelt turns them into a roaring curtain of white. 4. Snake River Canyon. Stretching for miles across southern Idaho, the Snake River Canyon is a dramatic landscape of cliffs and desert valleys. It's not only a photographer's dream, but also a piece of history. This is where Evel Knievel tried to jump the canyon in 1974. Flying a drone here reveals the sheer scale and power of nature's architecture. If you could fly your drone anywhere in the world, where would it be? Tell me in the comments. I'm curious to see your dream spots. 5. Redfish Lake. Nestled beneath the Sawtooth Mountains, Redfish Lake is one of Idaho's most peaceful getaways. The water is clear enough to see deep below the surface, and the reflections of snow-capped peaks look like glass. It's a perfect blend of serenity and wilderness. A place that feels untouched by time. 6. Hell's Canyon. Hell's Canyon is the deepest river gorge in North America. Even deeper than the Grand Canyon. The Snake River roars through its depths, surrounded by dramatic cliffs and ancient rock walls. It's wild, raw, and remote. The kind of place that reminds you how small humans really are compared to nature. 7. City of Rocks. This massive natural playground is filled with towering granite spires and bizarre rock formations that look like they belong on another planet. The City of Rocks has been a stop for travelers since the days of the Oregon Trail. Today, it's a haven for climbers, hikers, and photographers chasing the perfect golden light. 8. Payette River. The Payette River flows through forested valleys and is one of Idaho's top spots for whitewater rafting. The mix of calm stretches and wild rapids makes it a favorite for both beginners and thrill seekers. Aerial shots capture its twists and turns, like ribbons of silver through the trees. What's your idea of the perfect adventure? Calm waters or wild rapids? Comment below. I'd love to hear your choice. 9. Priest Lake. Up near the Canadian border lies Priest Lake, a hidden gem surrounded by dense pine forests and misty mornings. It's known for its incredible clarity and calm atmosphere. Locals call it Idaho's crown jewel for a reason. It's peaceful, pure, and picture-perfect from every angle. 10. Bruneau Dunes State Park. Home to the tallest single-structured sand dune in North America, Bruneau Dunes feels like an island of desert in the middle of Idaho. The contrast of golden sand against blue sky is striking, especially from above. You can even sandboard down the dunes or stargaze at night. It's one of the darkest skies in the state. 11. Boise River Greenbelt. Running right through the state capital, the Boise River Greenbelt is a 25-mile path of greenery, parks, and river views. It's where city life meets the outdoors. Locals jog, bike, and kayak here daily. And from above, it looks like a long ribbon of life running through the heart of Boise. 12. Craters of the Moon. This surreal landscape of hardened lava fields and black rock formations looks like another planet. Craters of the Moon. National Monument is a reminder of Idaho's volcanic past. Strange, haunting, and incredibly photogenic. It's one of those places that make you realize how unpredictable and powerful Earth can be. Idaho's untamed rivers and wild valleys aren't just scenes for a camera, they're reminders of how beautiful our planet truly is when it's left untouched. Every river tells a story of time and movement. Every mountain holds the silence of centuries. If you've ever been to Idaho, or if it's on your travel list, let me know in the comments. And if you love exploring the world through breathtaking drone shots, make sure to hit that subscribe button. There's so much more to see from above. Let's keep this adventure going.